Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make German apple strudel. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and prepare your workspace before starting. Begin by making a tender dough, mix flour and water, then rest it. While dough rests, peel and thinly slice apples, toss them with sugar, lemon, and cinnamon for balanced sweetness. Roll the dough paper thin, layer the filling, and carefully roll into a tight log for baking. Making the dough is surprisingly simple and forgiving, and I'll guide you through gentle stretching techniques. Mix flour, water, oil, and salt until smooth, then rest the dough so it becomes elastic. Use a floured cloth to gently roll and stretch the dough outward, working from the center. Aim for a nearly translucent sheet that holds the filling without tearing. This thinness is what gives strudel its delicate, flaky layers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great in the kitchen for setting timers, playing music, or reading recipes aloud while your hands are busy rolling strudel. It brings your space to life with clear sound and voice control. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. The filling brings the classic flavor, and careful assembly ensures a neat bake. Combine thin apple slices with sugar, lemon juice, cinnamon, and some breadcrumbs to absorb excess juice. Brush the stretched dough with melted butter, sprinkle breadcrumbs, then evenly spread the apple mixture along the near edge. Use the cloth to lift and roll the dough into a firm log, seal the seam, transfer to a tray, brush with butter, and bake until golden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.